Hey, in this video, I will show you how to customize apps on an iPhone, or actually how to create custom app icons on your iPhone. So all you have to do is scroll up, type in shortcuts, open the app, and from here, you want to click on the top right corner, plus right here, clicking that. And here you have three options: send message, open app, play music. Click on open app, and on app, you want to click on app. And let's say that we want to change the icon for the App Store, right? We want to click that. We'll go ahead and click on share to add to home screen. We can change the app from our photos or something else, and that's it. We can use any app we want, any icon we want on the app. It's very simple. You can make it as custom as you want, and that's it. If you still have any questions, if you had troubles with something, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try to help you out. If the video helped you out, slap the like button. See you next one.